Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about most important Java program called Fibonacci Iterative approach. So, I will develop such a way that my code will give time complexity and space complexity omega of n. So, let's get started. So, first we need to understand what is the Fibonacci. So, take one class Fibonacci Iterative approach. So let's understand the definition of Fibonacci. Definition of Fibonacci. So a sequence, a sequence where each number is the sum of the two previous ones. Previous ones. This is the definition. Previous ones starting from starting from 0 and 1, starting from 0 and 1. So, definition of Fibonacci, a sequence where each number is the sum of the two previous ones, sum of the two previous ones starting from 0 and 1. So, let's add the main method. So, let's create a one private method, private static. So return type is void, nothing is return. So idea, that means like you can consider like a iterative Fibonacci. So integer count, integer count. Right now, so first let's add some command here. Iterative Fibonacci approach. This approach will give time complexity omega of n. It is a time complexity, it will give space complexity omega of n. Space also same, it will give space complexity also same. So first select Control Shift F format, maximize the screen. So now if count double equal to 0, that means I am saying return. If it is count 0, I am saying return. After that, take two fields, integer num1 num1 equal to 0, so num2 equal to 1, semicolon, this out system.out.println num1. So next, if count count greater than 1, then sysout system.out.println, so num2 num2, these are the print only. I want to print everything in single line, not in multiple lines. So I want to print in single line with spaces, with some space. Right now, we need to iterate by using for loop. For that, for int I equal to 2, I equal to 2, so I less than count I plus plus. Here, so int Fibonacci series, so Fibonacci equal to num1 plus num2. See, this is the if count double equal to 0, I am saying return, right? Return integer num1 equal to 0. So starting from 0 and 1. So starting from 0 and 1. So these are the initial values of Fibonacci. So I'm added like this. If count, so above 1, I am saying print this. So if count double equal to 0, otherwise you can also add another condition or count. So otherwise, so instead of this, so less than or equal to either 0 or negative number, I am saying return it. So this is done right. Yeah, use sys out. Now some space FIB. So we need to write swap logic num1 equal to num2, num2 equal to FIB Fibonacci. So let's print. This is the ITR Fibonacci. We need to pass integer count right. I will pass input as a 6. So this 6 pass here. If you want, we can also call it class name. Method is a static, right? Method is a static, right? So we can call by using class name as well. Control S. Run as Java application. See 0, 1. If I add these two, it will be 1. 1, 1. If I add 1, 1, it is the 2. 1, 2. If I add 3. 2, 3. If I add 5. So in this video, we are successful and understand Fibonacci iterative approach. So thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.